Name the movie. 4 pitches, 1 word. Which movie is this?
What?
Which language?
What is that first square?
English
It's
movie.
just red.
Yeah. This is just red. What is this? This is Trinity. Can you still get it?
No. I don't know.
You can't give clues like Trinity, dude.
Matrix.
Oh, you
no?
got the answer. Huh?
Matrix. It's
Yeah.
Matrix. Yeah, you
Nice.
couldn't give clues.
Oh.
Like Matrix.
You
Just those
understood, huh?
glasses were the
Glasses
glasses.
were
Yeah.
red, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
That red.
no. Now
Red
I
was
get
because-
minus 20.
Why was
Right
5
pill.
minus 4 binary?
The one. Neo
Oh,
is
the-
the
oh,
one.
the one. Yeah.
I didn't want to put up one, otherwise it would become too easy.
Right.
Red was because he chose the red pill.
Come on, put that negative 20. Let
No,
us
no,
be
no.
on, let us be on
Negative 20.
Since
let
we
us be on the
discussed it-
same.
Since we discussed
No,
it,
please
I'll just
don't
give
do-
minus 10.
Oh, thank you.
Papa, she got minus 6. She's like, thank you.
DPK,
Really.
1. No option. You have to go here. Sports. Sports. Which team won IPL 2020? The previous IPL. The latest one.
Wait. MI.
Right. MI won.
Congo.
Congo.
I'm gonna
Nice.
give you a negative.
1, 2, 3,
So-
4,
So I
5.
can only choose
Either movies or geography.
movies or geography.
Which one is unique
Go
for
for
her?
geography.
Pragna, can you tell?
Religion.
Can you tell what topics Rasya has answered already?
Oh,
Religion and science.
Oh,
so
movies and
both are
geography
unique.
both are unique for you. Yeah.
Go for geography.
Okay. Group of mountain chains is called a range. Group of island chains is called a...
Archipelago.
Nice.
Archipelago.
man.
Nice. Nice, nice.
So good.
So now Rasya has 3 unique right answers and she can advance to the next level.
Congrats.
Thanks.
1. Congrats. You're here. No choice. Religion.
Oh no.
I think an easy question is
But give
coming.
options. Yeah, give options, dude. All this.
I have
you
already
don't
given,
remember.
I have written the questions and now I can't modify anything.
You give options like
Not happening.
this.
Vesak is a festival celebrated by the adherents of what? Eliminate. Remove by elimination.
I don't think Hinduism. I don't think Jainism. Buddhism. I don't think. I think it's Sikhism. Vesak, because it sounds like a
Tell fast.
Sikh.
Tell fast.
A1. A. Sikh.
Buddhism.
What is Vesak? I haven't heard of it.
Buddha Jayanti.
Buddha Jayanti.
Oh.
Buddha Jayanti. Okay.
Should have given Buddha Jayanti, no?
Yeah, no.
Surely. Do you need options for that also?
Oh God.
My turn is
Easy.
skipped.
It's
Cincinnati. Oh, wait. Not this spinner for you. 3. So
Next.
don't have an option here. Oops. Religion. It's level 2.
Row of light.
No, it's level 2 for her.
Oh my.
30 seconds. According to Jainism, how many Tirthankaras are there? This is an easy question.
For whom?
Oh, fuck.
For,
I don't know
for
what
Jayan.
that means.
40 seconds. This is an easy question.
What? Who is saying it's easy?
Jayan. A Jayan is saying.
A Jain is
Jain is saying.
22.
No.
24, huh?
24 is the answer.
Yeah.
23rd
What
one
is
is only Mahavir, no?
24th is Mahavir.
Oh, 24th is Mahavir.
Yeah.
He's the last
Your
one.
mom would be proud. Preet.
Sinchana's
Oh, yeah.
next turn will be skipped.
He was the last one then. 24 was the last.
Yeah.
And
4. Okay.
4. He's
1, 2,
pink.
3, 4. Either movies or movies.
I choose movies.
Name the director of Bahubali.
Hey, hey,
Hey, shut up.
This is Rajamouli.
hey,
Nice.
Preet.
What?
God.
Nice one.
Just because
I'm
I
I'm
told
actually
you.
happy about the options you have taken. All like
Yeah.
Tollywood directors.
All
Yeah,
Telugu
good thought.
directors these guys are.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you. Thanks for the
Is that
Okay.
1 or 6?
one. Here at center it shows up. Remember.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Here.
Oh, one.
Does
I
Russia
am
have three or not?
Yeah.
Russia
Yeah,
has
I
3.
do.
She has three. Yeah?
Promote.
Yeah, she
Promote.
has.
Okay.
Hey, wow.
Oh, you also get religion.
Religion. Oh no, if I get this wrong, I'll lose 20 points.
10
You get
points.
it right extra
10.
time.
I'll lose all my money, guys.
10 points.
10 points.
Oh, 10 points. Oh, correct. Huh?
Okay, come on, ready.
Oh, it's second level.
Yeah, this is
Yes.
second.
Okay.
Let's go.
Who was the last Sikh guru in human form who formed the Khalsa?
Guru Granth Sahib. That's the name of the place. I don't know his name, dude.
What did you say?
Guru Nanak.
Guru Nanak is the first one. Come on, I'll give you another time. Come on. One more
Yeah,
very
I don't
famous.
know.
Like, this is the name that
Last.
usually two names come to mind.
Yeah.
Tell.
What's the
Yeah,
other
I
one?
Take
Does
Bahadur
anyone
or
else know?
something.
Guru Gobind Singh.
I
no?
don't know. Gobind.
Correct.
Wow,
Oh,
Guru Gobind Singh.
Yeah.
So I go to third level. No?
PNG answered a lot of questions.
Yeah, but not his
But
own.
not that.
Not, yeah, he didn't land on those.
Meghna's turn, no?
Yeah. Either geography.
No, Meghna's
Or-
turn is skipped.
Oh, hers is
Oh.
skipped. Oh.
Oh,
nice. Then
what?
4 is
Oh,
for
yeah,
PNG.
4 is for me. 1. Yeah. Oh,
1,
1
2,
second.
3, 4. Here you can't go. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the one.
Yeah, fine. Go.
Sports.
Let's go with it.
Sports.
That's my thing.
Come on, you can
Extra.
get this right.
Who knows?
I hope you have followed Olympics well, bro.
Bro, what?
Again Olympics.
How is it supposed? You should pick my sports.
Your sports, I have not, like, I have already inputted everything.
That's what I think we should have talked before you made.
Next time. Who was RCB's first captain in the IPL?
Rahul Dravid.
Yay!
Nice. Oh, you
What
get
was my
another-
background? What was my background, guys?
I was just thinking
Shut up.
when he switched on his video, I saw that and it was like, PNG should get this question, and you got it.
Yeah,
Nice, bro. You get another turn.
right.
Finally.
Good job.
5.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Oh, you get another sports question on you. Sorry.
Oh wow.
No, either way.
5.
Let's go.
Which direction do you want to go in?
Anyway, any side.
Here
Whatever
it is
you pick.
not crowded. Okay.
Anyway,
No,
I'm
you
going to
can
say Anil Kumble next answer. So I don't.
Okay, let's go. Sunil Chetri plays for which football club in India?
EFC, Bangalore FC.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Nice.
Too good, PNG.
Let's get this final.
Legend. That's all.
Legend. That's
One
all.
more extra chance.
One more extra turn.
In one turn, he'll finish all of us off.
Yeah.
6,
Only sports. 6.
But this time we should
Two,
do
three,
something else, no? So
4,
that we can
5,
get
6.
this one.
Either movies or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Science or movies. You have not answered either.
Movies. School kuda science. Aluminium. Helium. Let's hope it's Yash Boy, dude. I prepared him.
No, it's done. Where were Lord of the Rings movies?
New Zealand. New Zealand.
Oh my god.
Nice one. Nice one.
Dude, what is this?
Nice one. Killing it.
Goddamn legend.
Get this.
Does he get
Let's
one
get
You
more?
this.
already got 2 questions.
No, I don't get it.
Now we want
What?
it.
Give him what the hell?
Just give him one more free turn.
Okay.
What the
Let's
hell?
see how far this goes.
Okay. No.
Sinchana's
Now
turn.
Sinchana's turn.
It's
No,
gift.
skip.
So we go to BPK.
Why Sanjana's? Oh, it's skipped. Okay.
Yeah.
Is DPK in or outside? Oh, he's outside. Okay.
He's not.
BPK can go in now.
5. Oh, he
No,
won't get to
that's
go in.
not good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Religion or religion.
Inevitable, bro. Come.
Okay,
Why
the
are you
religion
thinking?
in the bottom. The religion in the bottom.
Okay.
Wait, 3. So if he answers 4 questions, he will automatically get promoted.
No, 6.
6.
Oh, can we make it 5?
Okay, fine.
Yeah, can I make it 4?
Huh?
Can you make it 3?
No, not happening. 5 is enough.
We'll all go to next level.
5 is enough. That's it. Not reducing anymore. Okay, ready?
Where were these questions in the start, bro?
Identify the festival. A picture will be shown. Easy this.
Oh. Yeah. No.
Festival.
You're supposed to answer.
Look closely.
Oh,
Is
no.
It, is it visible? Can you
Okay,
zoom?
GP.
I can't.
I
zoom.
said Onam.
Oh, Onam. Yeah, Onam is right. Nice
Yay. Yeah.
Call.
He'll pick the right one or the wrong one. like.
Now he can go in. No.
Yeah,
No,
he's
it-
answered 5 questions. It's not unique, but he's answered 5 totally.
He's answered 5. Oh, great.
Yeah, he's answered 5.
Yeah.
So,
Put him to
which black tile do you want to start at? Your wish.
bottom.
Bottom.
Simply tell part of the relation.
Because you said
Yeah. No, from that time he's telling bottom.
Okay, Rasia's turn.
no. Oh, it's my turn.
2. Okay, 2 is not possible currently. 4. Oh, both are
Oh.
the same.
Okay. Yeah, anything.
Bottom.
Okay, let's go with it.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 is sports. $30. Where is the FIFA headquarters located? Russia.
Madrid
Don't ask.
or
me.
Rio.
2 options you are giving me.
Why don't you pick 2 more?
We just
You have 10 more seconds. Fast, confirm. Huh?
B.
Wrong answer.
What is the correct? Oh, it's
Switzerland. Zurich.
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 Switzerland, no? Yeah.
Okay. Next is Meghna.
Come
Meghna,
on.
you
Listen,
are
how
the
many
only
questions
one.
did I get right? Only 1, no?
Yeah,
Did
you
get
got
anything
1.
right? She got something right. Which topic?
She got
I think I got 2 or 1 right.
No,
Ah,
third one was right.
Okay, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either sports or
Please, science 2. Science is not.
Sports only. you have to
sports
pick.
or no, this one. Geography.
Geography.
Which did she answer right, Pragya?
movies.
Oh, right.
Geography.
Okay, let's go for geography.
Geography level 1.
I didn't get science even once, too.
Name the continent that is classified as a desert.
That's
Just think of the continents.
Africa.
Are you choosing Africa?
Desert.
Think
3,
again.
Yeah.
2, 1.
Antarctica.
Right.
Antarctica
is-
is.
How,
Yeah,
how
Antarctica
how
is-
can you say Africa? There is Amazon rainforest over there.
No, there's
Whole
like
continent has
desert
to be
Gobi is
classified
there,
as a
no?
that in
Desert-
all continents, deserts are there.
It shouldn't rain. That's all. The whole continent. Yeah. It doesn't
Okay,
rain in
great.
Antarctica.
She got it right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thanks.
Finally,
I
like
want to
last
choose
1
her
second.
on Africa. Yeah.
So
Okay.
good.
So she got 2 in. Yeah.
2 unique ones. So if you get 1 more correct, you can advance.
Come on, PNG, you have a chance now. 1.
Yeah, PNG also. 1 more correct, you can advance.
Either sports or geography.
I can pick.
Geography will be-
Huh?
I've
Geography is
answered
unique,
3
huh?
correct, no?
You
Yeah,
answer
geography.
two of which is sports. So you can answer something in geography and then you can advance.
Yeah.
Or seeing the sports, then it looks peaceful. I can go
The
complete.
sports, if you get it correct, it's 4 correct. And then you need to get 1 more correct.
Let's go geography.
Get an extra
Why?
task.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's keep that thing going.
Geography, no.
Yeah, geography. Bring.
Who?
Which of these don't share a border with India? China, Pakistan, Bhutan, Myanmar, Afghanistan, Nepal.
That is so long.
or
I don't
Bangladesh?
have.
Out of these, tell one fast.
Which does not share with border with wait.
India.
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan is the right answer. Nice.
Nice
Congo.
answer.
You are
Also
wasting time in scolding me.
PNG also has 3 unique right answers now and can advance.
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you.
Nice.
Oh my God.
Kenji, you can't leave me like this. Hello.
You will also
Who
advance.
said I'll
Next
get
time
one?
you will also advance.
Okay,
I'll
next is
be
Sinchana.
collecting more points before I go.
Sinchana. Yeah, next is Sinchana.
4. Hers is yellow. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Either sports
Oh.
or science.
Um,
Fine.
science.
30 seconds.
Yeah, she can do this. Yeah.
Who wrote A Brief History of Time?
Oh, Stephen Hawking.
Nice.
See, I've kept easy questions. Good one. She's in the, how many did she get right in second level?
This is the
Wow.
first one she's gotten right for the second level.
So 20 points for this.
Yeah.
20,
How
right?
many do you get? How many are you supposed to get?
You need to
2.
get 2 minimum. 4 is max.
Unique.
So
Even
now
two.
instead of me proceeding to next level, I can send one person back. Huh?
Yeah.
Why
Hey,
not?
KD कैसे ready हो? One
Bottom.
science or geography.
Geography. Geography.
Come on, bro.
Kathmandu is the answer.
Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu. Please.
Machu Picchu.
Oh, geography has not started. Huh?
Pikachu.
That's the answer.
What is the capital of the group of islands Andaman and Nicobar?
Port Blair. Port Blair.
Hey, what is
Nice.
This is, dude, you are putting, this is level 2.
This is level 1.
Hey, Meghna.
Zero, it's level
depends
0.
See, level 1
Meg-
I thought was easy because I knew the answers. That way you knew this answer. So, it's
So that
easy.
is bias. No, so you should like.
How is that biased? It
Game
depends on
master
what you
shouldn't-
know.
Meghna,
How will
we're
I know
still in
what you
level
know or
one.
don't know?
We're still in level 1. Don't
Port
worry.
Blair is
One
level
more
1.
chance I get.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
get
you
extra
get one
turn.
more.
Extra turn
It's
plus 20 points.
Get lost.
Finally, some deserving guy is getting the score.
No.
2.
2.
So, religion or science?
Science.
Fine.
Science.
This guy hates religion. Neil deGrasse Tyson.
No, that is not it.
Machu Picchu.
Oh, well.
Machu Picchu.
Oh,
Will always be up when you're feeling down. I share my name with Scarlet Witch's twin. You can find me on Mendeleev's table. What am I?
Oh,
you don't need to answer. Huh. Easy pick of it. It's an element because
Oxygen. Simply something.
No.
no, think of this.
Because
I will
you're-
always no, I will
It's a
always
planet
be-
also.
this is that X-Men, no?
Yeah, Mercury.
Yeah,
Awesome, PNG.
PNG knows everything that he doesn't have to
Quick.
answer.
Quicksilver. He means the
Quicksilver.
Quicksilver.
Yeah,
Wow.
Mercury is also called Quicksilver. Nice,
Correct.
nice.
Hey, we're gonna come, dude. We'll go to next round, please.
Nice.
Oh, I should not click next.
Hey, this is a good question.
Thank
This
you.
is
Yeah.
done. Nice.
Thank you.
Port
Thank
Blair
I
was a
think
beautiful.
Pragnya. Yeah, Pragnya.
Port Blair was not good, no?
Yeah.
That was also mine.
Okay.
But
Who's
he
next?
persisted.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's either religion or movies.
Pakka religion.
Religion or
Religion.
religion? Like,
This
don't
is
know.
as easy as science or religion for DPK.
Hey, but I'll get minus 20. Dude. Oh no,
Minus
minus
10.
10. I'll get 0.
Oh, but
No,
you
no,
get
that is-
extra if it's correct.
That is your inclination.
Come on.
Take the risk.
Guru Gobind Singh, come on, let's go.
What are the gateways?
Yeah,
to
what is
Buddhist
this with
stupas called?
Jainism and Buddhism?
Buddhist
Ah.
stupas,
Yeah,
I think I know
those
this.
their temples of those
Anta-
stupas.
Toranas.
I think I
Toranas
know
or
this.
Ajantas?
Generally, which word would mean gateways?
Ajanta.
Options.
Where do you put Torana? Do you know what Torana is?
I don't know.
You
He
don't know
was
what Torana?
telling you were telling Torna. Why did you change it then?
I'll see because I don't know what Torana means. Okay, but my logic for Ajanta was Ajanta caves.
Wow.
These stupas are covered, caves are open, no?
Tornas are actually they're put on the door
Doors, yeah.
only.
On top of the doors,
Okay.
they put Torana.
What is option C? What is that actually?
Jataka?
Jataka.
What is it?
I have no clue actually.
Popular stories of Buddha, it seems.
So,
Yes, sir. And
Yeah.
what are Pandavas is from Mahabharata?
That
Pandava,
I had to put one thing to just eliminate. Okay, so oh damn sad.
Oh shit, I'm 0, guys.
Pragya, add -1
He
for
said
her.
70 or wow.
No,
I've
you're not
added-
Rasa. Rasa, you're not here.
I've added -1.
Meghna's turn.
Meghna's turn.
You know.
Oopsie.
Five.
What is celebrated by
Hey,
Muslims at the end of the month Ramzan, considered as the feast of breaking the fast? This is very easy. At the end of
Eid.
Ramzan. Yes, Eid is the correct answer.
Yay!
Before
Nice.
reading the question itself, you are cursing it.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. So now Meghna also has 3 unique answers.
Yeah.
He can advance.
Yeah, but
Not now.
religion is done. Religion questions are over.
Spin.
Come on, PNG. 2.
Oh, I can't go.
You can't go still. But you
I'll
can
go to
answer
Mohit.
sports.
Oh, sports. That's sports. Yeah, sports. Yeah.
He
He
has
didn't-
3 unique. Okay, hello. Why can't he go?
He didn't
No,
land on the
because I had
bracket.
to reach.
He didn't land. Okay.
How many
But he
questions
should- Wait, so-
totally does he have, right?
So if I answer this, I have
has
4, right? If
4
I
right.
answer this, yeah.
You
Yeah,
already
he
have
can
4,
go.
right? No?
Yeah.
One
Yeah.
more question and you can go.
Let's see if I'll answer this one.
Wait, 5
I-
correct answers, they can go up without even being in the black one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But he won't be able to demote Sinchana like he wanted to.
Uh-huh.
That was not my plan. Don't
Sure.
don't do this. 6.
What are the service lines in a badminton singles court?
What does that mean?
So when you're serving in badminton, when you're playing singles,
Huh?
is it short and narrow, short and wide, long and narrow, long and wide?
Yeah.
Long means the backside
D,
is
I don't know.
counted. Long and wide was
No,
long and wide was wrong.
long and narrow.
So narrow is
No,
in singles sides. Do you remember the sides?
I
that are
understood.
like-
Even
Yeah,
after
the
you
sides are not
explained
there.
it, yeah, I got it. Okay, let's go.
Oh damn! Then you get -10.
Sports is my thing. Who knew?
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Is Sinchana's turn skipped or not?
No, it's not skipped.
Oh, 1.
Ooh, these are all according to my liking. Who picked this? We should talk more, bro, please.
Religion is the. Wait, how many has she answered right?
Sinchana, she's answered 1
One.
in
What? How many?
Science.
level 2. She's answered 1.
Okay. Yeah, so religion, there's no other choice for you. Sinchana, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Which one is the first avatar of Lord Vishnu
Oh.
from his Dashavatar? Does anyone know this?
I think I know. I don't know. Let me see.
Call your brother. Call your brother.
Phone a friend. Phone a friend.
10 seconds. Sanjana, guess something.
Last one.
Narasimha.
Yes,
Come on, mate.
No. This is not.
Vara.
What
Matsya.
Bhakta Prahlada?
Matsya is the
Fish.
tortoise. Oh, sorry. Yeah,
Fish.
correct. Fish.
Eh.
Fish.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Sorry.
Matsakanya.
Okay. How many negatives does she have now? Pragna, please add.
Only one. Only
Only
one.
one.
DPK
DPK.
has any negatives?
No.
No. We got it right.
3.
Bottom.
3. Either sports or only
Nothing.
sports. Who was the first Indian to receive the International Shooting Sport Federation Blue Cross?
Quick answer, bro.
Speechless.
It's the only guy I know this.
Who?
I have a friend called Vijay Kumar.
From personal experience, it is good at shooting.
Guess one. I can't hear you.
We can't hear you.
Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra.
It turns out
Oh
to
my
be
God.
right.
Now we
Okay,
can
what
go
is
to the
this?
next level.
I'm clearing your negative and giving you a point for sports.
How many does
We
he
can
have
go to
total
next.
now?
He has two
Yeah.
correct.
2 correct in sports and
Level 2. He has one in sports and one in geography.
okay. He still needs to go on a black tail though.
Or 2 or 4. Huh?
Yeah, 4 means directly he can go. Minimum is
Okay.
done. 4.
Russia.
Russia is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sports or sports.
Russia has one negative.
Bottom. She wants.
Whatever you want.
I'm
Do
putting
whatever you want.
This is nice triangle. Okay, sports level 2.
Nice. DPK, tell the answer. bro.
What is the correct setup for snooker? Which one?
Snooker.
Those colored balls you need to tell which is the correct setup.
I thought he would give triangle, circle.
What
and
the hell is each colored ball, bro?
In snooker, each colored ball has certain number of points.
Point.
This is all I don't know. Blue is the one you hit,
Just
no?
guess something.
Blue is
No,
not
no,
the
white
one that
is
you
the
hit. Cue ball is the
Two,
one.
two, B.
Uh-oh.
B.
B
Shit, I'm
is the
gonna go
correct
with
answer.
B.
She said
If you-
D. You didn't hear.
It was
Damn
a D.
close there.
But
Damn close,
anyway,
Russia. It was
like, these in
Show the answer, bro. Show the answer.
martial arts and all also.
Yeah,
If you know, first comes yellow belt and then you move on green. So here
First
also,
comes
like,
pink
the same.
belt, no?
Here
Oh my
in the
God.
colors that are there, pink I don't know. Pink is not there.
Pink is there.
No,
Pink is
no.
there.
Russia's next turn will be skipped.
It is there, no? Wait.
You know, he gives these questions and then he gives Port Blair.
Yeah,
Hey.
like
One answer that you guys knew. You guys are dying like that.
Everyone knew.
You could have
Pragna,
gotten
what
it.
have you eaten?
It was not
such
dependent
difficult
on me.
questions. man.
Thanks,
Okay.
bro.
Pink is not an official belt, it seems.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Either geography or sports.
Sports.
It's Meghna's turn.
Geography.
How many latitudes and longitudes are there in total?
63, 62 something. I don't know. Something in that way. 63. Am I close? No.
I thought this would be like the easiest one.
Why is it the easiest?
Wait. Oh,
Because this is the
equator and
biggest-
those two. No, is it that? Are they counted?
How many total latitudes? You are just mentioning the main ones.
Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Capricorn.
Yeah, you're
Capri-
naming those, but how many totally are there?
5.
There are not 5. Duh. Oh, why is this not going?
What is the answer?
Huh?
What?
Why? How is this
It's been
easiest?
long. To,
None of you
this
knew.
is so
How is this
hard.
easiest? Why is this easy?
No.
360 longitudes and 90 up and 90 down latitudes. Equator 1. That is 180.
Oh.
And 360 longitudes. Okay.
If she had told 180 and 360, also you'd have kicked her out. No?
Yeah.
And you're telling it's easy.
At least 180. I
And
would
you should have
been
given
like, okay,
options for this, dude. At least this you should
Yeah.
have given options.
You were in
It's fine,
63. Options won't have helped
Meghna, stay. No, stay. Why are you going? Where are you going?
you.
Let's just relax in round one.
Okay. Please.
Let's get 2 or 3, bro. Come on, spin 2 or
Three.
3. Okay, 3. I want to go. I want to go. I want to go home. Yeah.
Movies level 2.
Movies, okay. Not the geography. Machu Picchu. Okay, wait. Let me
Find
get
the
my-
odd one out.
Wait, I'm not getting the question. Wait.
Out of the 4 options, which is the odd one out?
Okay, the director is the issue here. Indiana Jones.
Final answer.
Steven Spielberg. Steven Spielberg, no? Yeah, Indiana Jones.
Don't ask me. Final answer.
Oh, wait. Yeah, Indiana Jones.
Final answer.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Telling
You
for the
quickly.
how many times you'll ask final.
Yeah, because he was like, hey, no, wait. If it turns out wrong, it's cold.
David,
But yeah,
what's
you
the-
quickly arrived at the point that it is directors. Nice.
Because this is level 2, right?
Yeah, level 2.
Awesome.
give
okay.
give some 200 points, no, please.
Almost. Very close. 20 again.
DPK is untouchable, right?
Next
yeah.
is Sinchana. Is Sinchana's turn skipped or not?
No, it's not skipped.
3.
She has 1 negative.
1, 2, 3. Geography or geography?
Yeah. Okay.
Geography.
Yeah, okay. It seems I'm not giving you choice. What is the meaning of the name Himalaya in Sanskrit?
Dude, okay.
What?
Wait.
What?
No,
no,
she'll just tell it is very difficult and all that bullshit.
No, this is not level 2. Hello.
So level 1 now.
Hey, yeah. Don't
Tell
show off.
one.
Yeah.
Tell one fast.
Peak of heaven.
Yeah,
Abode
Hima
of
means
snows.
no. Him.
Hima-
So
Hima
this
is
was
no
easy for
mountain.
you.
Laya is abode. Yeah.
Okay,
Actually,
Alaya
yeah,
is
it depends for some people.
See?
But
Hima
both
is-
there, hello.
No. Okay.
Yeah, Hima is no, and Laya is any place to live in.
Asya Alaya.
Oh, like Nilaya.
Alaya. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Religion or
Beautiful answer.
movies?
Movies, bro. Come on.
Religion, go for it.
Ooh.
Wow, first time.
Finally has
time.
come to religion.
Ooh.
This is the.
I'll be very happy if you get it right.
Yeah.
Ram Navami is an important Hindu festival dedicated to the god Rama. Why is this festival celebrated? Birth, marriage, victory, or coronation?
Birth.
Confirm?
Okay.
1 second, or should I mark? What?
To mark the birth, go for it. Yeah.
Nice.
Dude, he got
This
it
is-
right.
This is Buddha Jayanti part 2, bro.
Deepika has 3 unique answers in level 2.
How many?
3.
Oh, 3 he has.
If he gets one more right, he's gone. Like he goes.
No, I think he can go, right? Or
No,
4 or
four.
3.
Four
I
has
mean,
gone.
like.
I thought we were doing -1 for that requirement for every level.
Okay, Rasya's
Yeah,
turn
it is.
is
5 and here
I'm
4.
skipped. See, that's
Rasya
my
skipped.
negative.
I
Yeah.
cleared.
Okay,
Meghna,
Meghna's
come on.
turn.
Dude, science, dude, please.
Oh, you did get a chance for science now.
You could have asked for 2 and come to second level.
Yeah, yeah.
Why did
Yeah,
you pray
science,
to
right?
wrong?
You want
But
science?
what
no?
if I get this wrong? Oh,
Then you get
yeah.
-10. You tell fast science. Oh, religion is anyway
Yeah.
over. You have to go for science.
Yeah.
Then I tell you want option.
Now he'll ask some level 5 question now.
I I can't change the order currently.
Yeah,
It is
yeah,
just going
yeah.
in one flow.
Don't show that.
Mitochondria
answer.
generate large quantities of energy in the form of what?
ATP.
Tell the option number directly.
ATP. C.
This was fine. No,
Yeah.
this was fine.
Yeah, this I knew.
Okay, plus
Fine.
10.
Oh,
and you
one
get
extra
another
turn.
10.
One extra turn. Yes.
Yeah.
Now I think she can advance. She has 4.
No, you need
No,
5.
she needs 5.
Oh, sorry.
Just ask for 1 now. Oh, you know.
She didn't ask. Okay. 5. Which side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Science.
Science or science?
Science, come on.
Nice.
Full form of ATP.
Adenosine
Phosphate
triphosphate.
something. Triphosphate.
What is the
I
main
didn't-
cause of seasons on Earth?
Tides. No. Is amount of energy, speed in
No.
which distance between tilt of axis.
Guess one fast.
I think tilt. DD.
Yes. Did you tell tides in the beginning?
Yeah.
That is for
Should have
waves.
kept tides as the was one of the options.
Yeah.
Yay.
If I wouldn't have put options, she would scold me. She'll be like, "Oh, I told tides. You should have kept options." Not even close.
Even close.
Okay, plus 10 and another turn.
Advance now.
Oh, yeah, you
No, she can advance. Yeah.
Yeah, where do you want to start?
Science.
Bottom.
What
Hey,
side?
not-
Black. Directly.
No. I wanna go on the top right. Yeah.
But
She gets to
anyway,
play again, no?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, she gets.
Okay.
4. Okay, 4 is no point.
Right?
4 you would
Science
want.
was there, no?
Oh, 4 was there. Sorry, yeah. 4 directly science. My bad.
Mhm.
Thank me later, Meghna. Thank me later. Or thank
Thank
now.
you.
only.
Okay. Science level 2.
Mm,
30 seconds.
Okay.
I was once a massive star, and soon I will be a brightly colored gas cloud. For now, I am a massive explosion. What am I?
Supernova. I don't know.
Tell one
What
answer.
exactly is the answer? Supernova. Massive
Uh,
star. Soon I'll be brightly colored gas cloud. Massive
What?
explosion.
Why are you
What
rapping?
like there's no context. Like, is it what element
This
or
is the
what?
entire context.
Ooh, fire, bro. That was nice. Well played.
Tell one thing.
Helium.
It is not an
Massive
element.
No.
Supernova. Sun. Moon.
Some
Supernova is
10
right.
things she told.
Yeah, supernova is fine. Why
Supernova
are
was the
you-
correct answer. I was waiting
Then
for
why
her
did
to
you?
confirm. What?
Oh.
Why did?
I
If
thought you were
helium was
saying
correct,
no.
I can't tell
Then
before.
supernova was
access.
right. No. Yeah.
Yeah,
See,
yeah. You get a point.
See, this
She
lady
gets to
knows.
play again.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
She'll be the one to go to next round. I think.
Oh, there's a 4. No. I need 2 unique ones. Right? Let's see.
No, four signs back to back.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Either religion or sports.
Oh, he'll again ask Buddhism, Jainism. Sports. I don't know if he asked like years and all. Well, no, it's okay. A religion.
I've asked almost all religions.
Again, I'll get
Wow.
Muslim.
Impartial.
See, first she'll tell Buddhism, then Jainism, no Muslim. Everything she has a problem with.
Whoa. Do you have a problem with the religion, Meghna? This is the
We'll have
controversy.
to-
bro. DP.
We'll have to take you out of the video.
Edit it out, please.
Match the
No,
festivals
this
with
will
the
be the
states.
highlight.
Rajasthan, Assam, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. Which of these go in order here?
Hey, gift time. Okay, wait. Bihu is Assam, so second is Assam. Okay, C then. Bihu.
See?
Yeah.
What a beast. bro.
Nice.
Hmm.
Nice. She has already gotten 2 correct.
What is that Flamingo Festival?
Flamingo
What is that?
Festival. Yeah, what is that?
What is that? What is that?
Pragya, please explain.
What?
Gudi Padwa. That is Maharashtra. I don't know Flamingo. I'll check that. Okay, I think my turn is done, no?
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
done. Wow, she took some
Okay.
major leap here.
My God.
She already got 2 correct here. PNG, come on.
No, it's my turn. Okay, no, my turn.
Hey, is PNG skipped or not? Pragya, you have to tell, please.
Hey, not skip, bro. David Cameron. What the hell?
4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sports or movies? Which has he
I
answered?
don't think
Pragya, Can you tell how many unique?
I've answered movies.
Yeah.
I will go to sports. Let's go to sports. What's the point? What's the point?
NANI?